Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download app from unknown source on Firestick. First, turn on your TV and Firestick. Make sure your Firestick is connected to Wi-Fi. From the Firestick home screen, go to the setting option at the top right. Scroll over and click on My Fire TV. Now developer option. If you do not need or do not see developer option, don't panic. Go to About. Then click Fire TV Stick 7 times. You will see a passage that says you are now a developer. Go back and develop option will appear. Now click developer option. Turn ADB debugging to on. Then app from unknown source to on. When the warning pops up, don't worry, just click turn on. Go back to the home screen, click search icon, type downloader and select it. Downloader app, the download and open the app. When downloader open, allow all permissions. Now you can enter a website link or app code to download app that are not in Amazon app store, and that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.